systems reporting green. Full speed ahead. Left rudder full. Right full rudder. Enemy helicopter on the radar. Enemy helicopter closing in. Attention, we have been noticed. Eyes on enemy contact. All engines full stop. Missile silo reporting. Missile away. Stop the engines. Missile silo ready for launch. Receiving coordinates. Incoming torpedo. Missile strike. Enemy locked in. Enemy contact on the radar. Missile silo reporting. Missile away. Incoming torpedo. Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch. Enemy helicopter on the radar. Missile silo fire. Half ahead. Helicopter down. Target locked. Missile silo ready for launch. Receiving coordinates. Heading left. Prepare for the turn. Incoming torpedo. Enemy target locked. Missiles armed and ready. Torpedo noise. Direct hit. Enemy warship destroyed. Missile away. 8 seconds to impact. Helicopter ready for launch. Attention, we have been noticed. Left turn. Vessel is under attack. Turret locked and loaded, awaiting orders. Torpedo noise. Starboard turn. Heading right, 30 degrees. Heading left, prepare for the turn. Open missile silo hatches, prepare for launch. Turret locked and loaded, awaiting orders. left. Left rudder. Port side, turn. Heading left, prepare for the turn. All posts, prepare for battle. Our location has been revealed. Launch detection reporting. Hull breached. Missile silo fire. Explosion on board. I report serious damage to the ship. Vessel is under attack. Enemy ship is on fire. Torpedo noise. Direct hit. Enemy warship destroyed. Enemy missile on radar. Eyes on enemy contact. Preparing for torpedo launch. Enemy missile on radar. Enemy missile intercepted. Hull breached. Enemy contact is on fire, Commander. Hull hit. Damage in Section 3. Missile on the radar. Launch lifeboats. Evacuation.